I'm going to show you some things about an Allison transmission. We're mechanics, not video people, so bear with us. When I start this, you'll see a pool of oil building right in here. Normally it just drains right back into the transmission pan. Our C-3 clutches are right back here. So what we've done is made a tool to drill a hole right there. Make a side cover that has a fin in it to direct the oil to that hole. If you look at this cutaway, our C-3 clutch is right here. We are going to drill the hole right here. Then we'll put this cover with the fin on it right here. And we'll actually do this on both sides of the transmission. Then the oil that's splashing here will drain right down to this hole and feed the C-3 clutches. The C-3 clutches need more lubrication when they are spinning and not applied. Here's the tool actually on the transmission where you can drill the hole. And here's what it would look like on a full transmission. I'll start the dyno and run it up so you can see how much oil is actually there. That's at 1200 RPM. The faster I go, the more oil is in this area, draining right down that hole onto our C-3 clutch. I'll run it up to 2000 RPM so you can get an idea of how much oil is there. Short dyno test. The normal dyno test lasts for about an hour. I'll just do a few minutes here to show you some of the capabilities we have. This graph, I'm watching 4 things right now. I can watch over 100 things, but I'm just watching 4 right now. The red is line pressure. The blue line is cooler pressure. The green line is cooler flow. The black line is output shaft RPM. Across the top are all my shift solenoids. This again is line pressure, cooler flow, cooler pressure, converter clutch, transmission temperature in Fahrenheit, centigrade, input shaft RPM, output shaft RPM, motor torque, output shaft torque, ratio, gear. This is the control system. So I'll run up to about 1700 RPM, put a little load on it, and show you how it works. In first gear now, when I shift to second gear, you'll see my solenoids start to change. My pressure switches are down here, and those are the internal pressure switch manifolds. Shift to second gear right now. Shift to third gear. Shift to fourth gear. Shift to fifth gear. show you these things in a different way. Now my solenoids are in a bar graph here, and here I can watch it in time this way and amperage this way. I'll slow down and start over. Up to about 1700 RPM. When I shift to second gear, you'll see my amperages change again, both here and here. Shift to third gear. You can also watch the pressure switches changing down here. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Lock my converter clutch. Back down to first gear. I'll show you some power that this machine is capable of. We'll move over here a little bit. These things fly apart. Go to this screen here, showing us torque at the output shaft. To the eddy brake and show you how we can load it more yet.